Now we will see like a grouping and filtering the activities.
Mm.
Okay, for that I'm just going to take some other projects. Like I'm just going to close it now. uh, by default we can able to take some projects. Open project. See, now we have got these things. It is like completed project and might be not completed, might be like progress in progress project. Okay, it is by default we have in Primavera. Now we will see like grouping and filtering activities like here. Okay, I'm just going for, see here we have a filters.
Yeah.
Okay, and we also have a grouping and sorting here, these two icon, grouping and sorting, and then filter.
Mm.
Now we will see group and sort first, like it is showing the group totals. See where you have totals, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm just going for apply. Now it is not showing the totals. And if you want grand totals, show summaries only. See, if I am putting show summaries only, what it will be, like it is only showing the summaries.
Yeah.
And if you want to string vertical, see vertical, we have this kind of minus icons, right?
Mm.
If you
Yeah.
want to string that, you can able to apply. These are small things that you can able to do if you want. And
Mm-hmm.
here it is just going to group by WBS level, right? We can able to select whatever we want. We have multiple choices here.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if you want to put a, but normally WBS is okay na, otherwise it won't be good. And I'm just going for some other. We can able to group by like constraints also. See late finish, late start, like that.
Yeah.
Uh, for example, I'm just going to group by critical activities.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm just going to apply. See, once you put apply, only the critical activity we can able to see here.
Mm.
See, but here we can't able to see now. When you clicking, it will come. So critical we put now. Based on that, we are getting this. See, it is like a critical no. This is like a splitting critical into no and then yes.
Mm.
Okay, we have this two option. Now we can able to see like a critical. See, this is
Yeah.
what like grouping. Okay, then it is easy for us to study all those details. So grouping based on critical, yes or no. If you want to go back, just to go for, okay, just to go for group and start, and then you just to put a WBS. These are small things now. These things we can able to put if you
Yeah.
want, right? Uh, and then we can just go for filtering, where we also have some others like we can able to show the title if we want. Now we don't have title, right? Now I'm just putting title and apply. See, we are getting the WBS project like that. And then the code, if you want code also, you can put the codes also will come, but it is like disgusting, so I'm
Mm-hmm.
just going to remove it. Okay, so these things, if you want to hide something empty, we can able to hide. We can able to sort the bands alphabetically, and I'm just going to put apply. Otherwise we can just go for default and then apply. Okay, by default also it is like similar something else. Nah, then we need to put WBase. See, band in the sense this one. See, here we have D, design and engineering, and after E, and after like we also have a F, D, E, F, G, H, I, and then J, K, L, M, like that. That is like in band order, right? Not yellow
Mm.
color, with green color.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, now I'm just going to put that again. Apply. Okay. Now we can able to change the colors also from here. See, if you don't want this green color, you want something else, you can able to change.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For example, if I'm just putting okay, and I'm just already we have red color, so we can select some other color for pink color. So that will be in pink actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, but we can able to go for default, then it will change. So this is like a group and sort. It is simple. And then we can just go for filter. So filter, we have a set of filters already. Like for example, if you want to see only the critical, you can just select it and you put apply. See, now it is like showing only the critical path.
Mm-hmm.
See, only the critical activities it will be showing.
Okay.
Okay, that is like filter. Okay, now I'm just going to put I'm just going to see in progress. Otherwise, we can just go for completed. Only it will show the completed activities.
Mm-hmm.
See, now it is having only 100% completed, right? Only those
Yeah.
activity it will show. So this kind of things we can able to filter, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we can able to go for global and then user defined filter. If I'm just going for new, then we can able to just go for where parameter. We can able to input the name here, like filter one, and what is the parameter you can able to select. For example, I'm just going to put a activity type, and activity type equals what is the value. Then we can able to select. Now we see the activity types.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to put the level of effort. We will see whether we have level of effort in it. And I'm just going to click OK. And it is coming under user defined. Now I'm just going to apply and then OK. See, we don't have any level of effort. So that's why it is not displaying.
Mm-hmm.
So like this, you can able to like user define your filters. You can able to define your filters. Now I'm just going for a filter one. I'm just going for a, I think there is no edit option. No, when you're clicking, then you can go for modify.
Mm-hmm.
So in modify, and I will select something else, for example, resource dependent, and I'm just going to put OK, and we will see whether we have anything. Even normally like resource dependent, by default task dependent only everyone will be using.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why, and I'm just going for clicking modify and task dependent, it will come. Otherwise we can just go for WBS summary, apply. No, even it won't have anything, but it might be having only the task dependent, right?
Mm-hmm.
So task dependent, I'm clicking OK and then apply, it will show everything, because everything they have like a task dependent activities. And if you want to make user defined to make global, you click, then this it will go to the global. So see here it will go.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what like filter also, you can able to copy, you can able to paste somewhere. Okay, you can able to apply, you can able to create new, you can copy as layout and everything you can able to do. So copy as a layout in the sense we are having layout filters also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that. So now I'm just going to put a cancel. Okay, now you are also aware of grouping and then filtering and then sorting also, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now we can able to make use of the codes also. Based on the codes also we can able to filter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.